स्वादेश हमने राजीव ठक्कर से भी आज बातचीत की थी, उनका व्यू पॉइंट भी जाना था। एक बार सुन लेते हैं वो मार्केट के लेकर क्या कह रहे हैं।
One has to look at the meltdown in two parts. There are stocks which are down anywhere between 40, 50, 60% from the highs that we saw in the tech space. And there are the FANG names, especially Facebook has seen a sell-off. But broadly, if you see the results of, let's say, Alphabet, which is Google or Microsoft or Amazon, people have been pretty happy with it, and they are maybe down 20% from the highs, which is more or less a normal kind of thing, up and down kind of scenario. I think given that money is becoming more expensive relatively as compared to where we were, European bond yields have gone into positive territory, inflation is high. This era of free money and just founders selling a vision to investors saying, oh, we'll run losses for 5 years, 10 years, and we will get profits after a decade, but right now we are chasing market share. I think that kind of storytelling is over. While now, what has happened is the high ROC, high ROE companies have been, or companies which have been showing stable growth, people have been just rushing into them and just pushing up earnings multiples far in excess of what is reasonable. So some of these well-managed companies which have fallen out of favor for maybe 5-6 years, I think those companies could make a comeback. Auto in specific has been having this fear of the big transition towards electrification and electric vehicles, and whether the incumbents will win or whether the challenger companies will win. So that overhang has been there, and plus the demand has been subdued. But I think given that we've been largely at home for a long time, a large section of the population have been working from home or not moving around too much. I think once things normalize, once incomes come to the people's pockets, once people start moving around, I think the demand for auto will come back. And a lot of incumbents already see the writing on the wall and they have their EV strategies in place. So we are not as pessimistic on the auto space as overall seems to be the case in the market.
ऑलराइट, तो अब चलिए एक बार ये समझ लेते हैं कि अब बाजार को किस